Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla YT. And after a long off day, like after 3 days to 2 days later, I'm making video. However, I'm seeing that lots of user comment me in my comment box that bro, we are have like finding some problem in when we are going to export game for Android. Like the latest comment is that when I just packaging my UFO project for multi-ES, TCDX, TCES, TC2, they're coming in euro that NDK R20C not supported. Please use R21 and NDK or R23. So what's this? What this mean? Okay, let me show you first that. Uh, Let me tell you in Apex game that if you know, like if you read Unreal Engine official documentations, you find that Unreal Engine always change their SDKs every time when they are add a new like a engine. Like if you try to use the 4.25 or 24, you find you must need that Unreal the NDK R21 or NDK R23. Okay, you must need this for Android export. But if you think that no, I have some oldest version like Unreal Engine 4.22 to 3 or 4.23 or 21, as this lasts less than 4.24, so you can use the Unreal Engine and NDK R20B or R15C. Okay, so if you don't have this, you can check my Android export video. There I give a link of download, that way you can from download. Okay, and also you can, if you have also finding like this problem that app assemble debugging and runbed.fix, so you can watch my this video, it will be help you. However, then the second comment is also that my project export Android Euro show Unkeno cook failed. So why this coming? I'm now show you. Also, there's also the same like ND card 3D, but when I packaging game for Android Unreal Engine, show problem. It's very sad. Can you make a video? Okay, there's also one more comment. So it's mean that there's a lots of you have this problem. So let's fix. So let me show you. I'm correctly using 4.26.1. Okay, make sure that you click on these things option and make sure you check that your target platform is supported Android or not. Make sure this is should be tick like my one, and one is done, click on apply. If you don't have one is your installed, then you need to make sure that you must need this stuff. Like let me show you that Unreal Engine NDK R20D, then Android SDK, Windows SDK, then you need APK and Gradle 4.20 RC, then JDK 1.8.0.77. Then if you have also the external of SDK, you can download. Okay, make sure you need this R20D Android SDK Windows, and then you need this the JDK. You must need these three files. So if you don't have, you can download from my description link below. I will give you the link, and all the links should contain Google Drive, so you can download faster. So one is done, let's click on game next, and you can set anyone. I'm setting a blank project, click on next, then set it a mobile. Make sure your platform target is mobile or it will be not support. Then also make sure that your content what you use the asset, make sure it support Android. Okay, make sure your asset supports Android. If you don't know how your and are your assets supporting Android or not, just go in Unreal Engine marketplaces while you are using the assets. Okay, just click on the project and you find here the support platform. Like if you see that they give you the icon of Android, it's mean that your assets support the Android. Okay, and if you can check if you don't have like this Android, it's mean that your project or your asset is not supporting Android. Okay, so make sure you need a Android assets. Okay, supported assets. Then you can set it 3D to 2D, then non-standard content, and let me set it name mobile. Okay, mobile mobile 2. Then create the project. Okay, now we are creating the project, so it takes some time for loaded the mobile versions like the mobile platforms. So Unreal Engine also compiles some shadows and other stuff. So now it takes some time, as you can see at this. Okay, you can see the Unreal Engine is come at here. Now it's loading, and here you can see it's now discovering the assets. Okay, so okay, one is done, the discovering asset completes. We have, you can see, a blank project. So let's add a simple map at here. Okay, just create a new a new level and just save it, the level. Then at here we'll add simply engine content. and at the engine content we'll go engine, then go at the sky, just drag the sky, and again just untick it, and now we add a cube. Okay, at the cube what we'll be do is basically very simple. We'll add a light. Okay, and at the light we'll set it intensity, or the intensity is 5. Also set a sky. You can also check it, some darker, because yeah, it's looking very dark. Okay, here it's 1. Then set a simple. I'm just setting a level for test, for showing you, and also check my like to movable. Okay, now as you can see we have now a simple world for mobile. Okay, that's enough. Then you need to go in the project settings, and at the project settings you need to now go in the Android SDK. Okay, at SDK you need to fill up these forms, that SDK, NDK, JDK. Okay, make sure that your NDK level set it 19, and set it the SDK last test. So how you can pick this file? Just click on these 3 dots, then go while you save your SDK, just select the files. Then you need to sorry, for me it's maybe this one, and then you need to set the NDK. So just go where you saved your NDK folder. Okay, for me it's where it's go, this NDK, as you can see, NDK R20D. Okay, so then you need to set the same, that the JDK, just click and just go at here where you save, and then the JDK. Okay, so one is done. You must need to set this, that Android 19. Okay, one is done. You need to go now in Android. At the Android you need to click on this, that config now. Okay, you are accepting the packaging. Then you need to just click on this one, that acceptable SDK license. If you see that it's invisible like me, that you can't click it, so it's mean that your SDK is now support for Unreal Engine. Okay, make sure this one is clicked, check. So now you need to set your project or your package name. Make sure it should be unique, so I'm giving name img dot mobile. Then you need to make sure that your packaging game data inside of APK. Okay, make sure you click this one, and also tell that Unreal Engine to force to small OBB files. Okay, just click on this one. Then you don't need to do another stuff, that if it's red or not, you don't need to do anything. It's now ready to export. Now click on save. Now click on files, then packaging, then Android. Then you can set multi, DXTC, ETC to ASTC. I prefer to always to export for multi, ASTC, DXTC and ETC2, so it support all the Android versions. Then you need to set, as you can see, they are not coming showing me any of documentation to go any of documentation or do something else. Now you need to set any folder where you want to save your APK after, or your game. Just select, and here you can see the packaging is start. It's mean that we are successfully to set up our game to, or our project to exporting the game for Android. Okay, at the same way you can also export your game for Android. So I just hope you like my video. If you have any question, you can comment us in my comment box. I must give you the reply, so don't worry. Also, if you find another problem, or you can also send me your problem video or screenshot in my messenger, just or send me a video clip in my YouTube channel link. I will show and I will see, and also tell you or try to give you the problem fix. As you can see, it's now compiling 1345 shadows, so it's so much, so it's need some time. So yeah, that's all. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, and bye bye.